another giant IPO opportunity on your way. It is giant since the issue size of the IPO is around 2,800 crore. Yes, हम बात कर रहे हैं प्रीमियम एनर्जीज IPO के बारे में जो अप्रैल 1995 में इनकॉर्पोरेट हुई थी. They are involved in the manufacturing of integrated solar cells and solar panels. इनकी client base काफी strong है, which includes big players like NTPC, Tata Power Solar System, Panasonic Life and many more. As of July 2024, the company had booked an order of around 59 million for solar modules and EPC projects. They have a global presence. ये कंपनी अपने प्रोडक्ट्स को मल्टीपल कंट्रीज में एक्सपोर्ट करती है लाइक यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स, हांगकांग, साउथ अफ्रीका एंड अदर कंट्रीज. कंपनी अपने नेट प्रोसीड्स को यूटिलाइज करेगी फॉर इन्वेस्टमेंट इन देयर सब्सिडरी कंपनी एंड फॉर जनरल कॉर्पोरेट पर्पस. So now, don't forget to block your calendars for a giant investment in this IPO opening on 27th of August, closing on 29th of August. IPO का प्राइस बैंड है 427 to 450 with a market lot of 33 shares and the minimum application amount under retail category is just 14,850. Stay connected with us. Yes Security, your partner in making a wise investment decisions. Thank you.